There's one thing in here that I'm really excited to open up because I can't figure out. I think I know what it is. What? Shut up, Rhonda. Okay, ready? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just ate some cashews, so if you see that floating around in my teeth, well, no you didn't. Anyways, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another Temu haul. Want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel each and every single month. You don't have to, but you choose to. For those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys so much. And for those of you that are returning or just stopping by and hitting that subscribe button, sharing my content over on Facebook, a huge ginormous thank you. So if you've never heard of Temu, as I always tell y'all, it's a Temu app, or it's an app that you should download, whether you have an Android or an Apple. Highly recommend downloading the Temu app. I do have a special little link down in my description box. I will also put it in my comment section for you guys. But when it comes to Temu, they have free shipping, free returns, free price adjustments, lightning deals, flash sales. I'm telling you all, I'm gonna do my best to pop the prices up on the screen for you guys, but just keep in mind, these could be lightning deals, or they may become lightning deals, which means price adjustments for y'all. They will always be listed and linked, everything I show you guys, including the prices, in my description box and in the pinned comment section for you all. So don't rely on any price that I may or may not be popping up on the screen. All right, okay, let's go ahead and get started. I get so excited over the Temu hauls. The things that I have found, I have been on a journey to decorate our campsite, because last year when my husband and I started camping, I loved like walking around, even when we were walking to like the restrooms, and seeing how everyone decorated their campsites and everything. Sorry, I'm sure you guys don't want to see my cat's litter box in the background, but it's real life. I don't live in a mansion. I mean, if you want to provide one for me. Anyways, but yeah, I've gotten so many different cutesy things from Temu to decorate our campsite, and I am living for it. So I don't really know what all's in here, but let's have a good fun time unboxing it. Hopefully I did not just rip it. So I got these in my last haul. They're little lanterns, and I was thinking about hanging them on the shepherd's hooks that I got, but then I just remembered that I'd picked out these cute little baskets that I can hang on the shepherd's hooks. The shepherd's hook I in fact did get from Temu. Fun fact, I don't have a good green thumb, so I do plastic flowers. So a couple hauls ago I hauled these flowers. Yeah, I always keep these. Yeah, these are amazing. But how freaking cute is that? It is in fact one piece, and then it did come with flowers that I can add to it. And there's styrofoam in here too that you can click it right in there. I am so excited over this. This is as nice as what you'd get at the, you know, home goods store. What is that? You know, the place where you go buy lumber and stuff. Yeah. And these are like full bouquets too. You get 4 of them. No, you get 5 of them. 6 of them. Holy guacamole. Oh, these are solar lanterns. They're solar. Temu for the mother truckin' win. You can't tell me this is not a good deal. It's a good deal. Price may or may not be on the screen. If not, check the description box. These are nice. It's like a plasticky feel, so it's going to be great for the weather. And then you've got like a little light bulb that's a solar powered light bulb. Again, I got like 4, I think, shepherd's hooks, so this is going to work out great. Some will be sitting out for decor, and oh my gosh, I am so excited. Summertime, here I come. And it does have instructions, but literally all you do is just take the plastic off, flip the switch over, and let the sun do its work. Fun little fact, we had a leak in our house, and I thought it was our water heater that was leaking. No, it turns out, this is freaking adorable, turns out it was one of our pipes was broke. It wasn't totally busted, it was just spraying out water. Sorry, it keeps moving, I keep running stuff into it. So my husband fixed it, but in the meantime, the bag that I always have for like our summer stuff was getting rained on and molded, so I couldn't fix it. But then I found this. It's a freaking cooler. It is like a cooler, I kid you not. So here's the thing. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a total cooler. I'm going to use it. It does have a strap too. This is so freaking nice. I'm not even going to lie, you guys. This was such a good deal, and I was just watching one of those online boutiques, and the price that she was charging for a bag similar to this was insane. Get it from Temu. This is so nice. Hold on, I don't want the strap, I just want the two handle. Yeah, this is gonna be our new bag for the lake with all of our sun stuff. I mean, you could, like I said, you could use this as a cooler if you wanted to, because it does feel like it has thermal on the inside. This is like an easy cleanup kind of bag too. Look at that. Isn't that nice? You've got zippers up here to put things. Oh, I like this better than the bag that I had. And I was just on that website where I had it. It was like custom, had our name on it and everything. And then I realized what I'd paid for it and how dumb that was. And then Temu for the win, coming in clutch with a brand new bag. And I'm not going to have to worry because I can just clean this right off. And of course now my battery is dying. Awesome sauce. Hold on, let me close this up and then I'll change my battery. That is nice. It's like a vinyl, I guess is what you would call that. I love the style. I'm sure it came in other colors too. But this is going to be nice because it's waterproof. My other one wasn't waterproof. So this is going to be really freaking nice. I'm not going to have to worry about, like, you know how it is, the kids get out of the pool and they come stand by you and they're like, Mom, can I have money for snacks? Listen, I have adult children and my kids still do that. So I don't have to worry about water getting on here and ruining it. All right, battery was not fully charged, so hopefully this one lasts a hot minute. So if you watched my last video, I talked about I pick a lot of things out, and if I like them, I will re-pick them again because I feel like they'll make really good gifts. So that's what I did with the next two items I'm about to show you guys. So once again, I got more of these signs because they're so cute, and I told you guys the first time that I hauled these that I don't typically see them in pink. And if you love pink, check out Temu. Literally go to the search bar and put in pink baskets, like, or just pink, and anything and everything that's pink will show up. Anyways, I really like that, and then I really love this, so I picked them both up again because I thought they'd be really cute as gifts, or I may keep them for myself and hang them up here. The other ones are down at our camper, and I got the matching mat for our camper too that matches this. It's just so doggone cute. You see the little bumblebee on here? So yeah, I got them again because they're adorable, and I feel like they're weatherproof. I mean, they may fade out in direct sunlight, but these little plants on here are like the weather safe material. All right, this is just one of those random finds that I thought would be fun to like someone who's new at camping or something. Little camper keychain. Isn't that fun? Fun little thing. So this I really can't put together. I will pop a picture up, but it is a zippered keep the bugs out net thing. Perfect for camping. It's 7.5 feet by 10-foot diameter, so it's big. That's why I'm like, I can't put this together, but I am going to insert pictures of what I look like, what I saw online. Hold on, I'm gonna at least show you guys like the netting so you guys can see the material is actually legit. See that? So this is going to be perfect to like pop around your umbrella. We may just stick it right out here too, so you don't have to worry about all the bugs coming in. Moving on, the next item that I found over on the Temu is, once again, I thought this could be like a nice little gift to have on hand. You guys know, like, you get invited to something and you're just like, oh snap, I can't. Sorry if you see this hand right here. My son's laying on the couch. It's your hand just dangling off. I just moved it. Yeah, you're fine. Anyways, I thought this would be like a nice little like housewarming gift or something to hold spoons on or what have you. But again, when it comes to Temu, you guys know, like, I shop year round for Christmas or gadgets to just have on hand, teachers' gifts. I mean, I don't have to worry about teachers' gifts anymore because my youngest just graduated, but they have little things like that. And I mean, how nice does that look, right? Okay, so once again, these are to decorate the camper. Decorative little towels to hang up. How cute is that? Let's get toasted. Isn't that fun? And then this one, I love. This is what sold me. I liked this one over the other one. Isn't that so cute? And these, they're decorative, but they're actually the kind, actually they're not a bad microfiber. I thought it was gonna grip me, but this isn't bad. It's really cute, but I feel like if you wanted to dry things, you could and it would actually work. But these are just so adorable, and again, really cute gifts. I mean, think about it. Roll it up, get some wooden spoons, or even like some kebab sticks or something, and put it together, and then like you could gift it with the little keychain hooked into there. I know. Ooh, I got more of the little shepherd's hooks. It's a 2-piece set put together. Again, I will pop little pictures in, but this is not a shepherd's hook. Oh my gosh. It's a 3-piece flag set, which is perfect because like my first haul, I hauled 3 little flags. My camping spot's gonna be so cute, and it was so affordable. But you literally, I lied, you get 4 of the flag hooks. I need to go buy more flags. But here's what I really liked, and that's what sold me about it, is you have the little clippy doohickey to help hold your flag on there, which I thought was pretty nice. Oh, never mind. I picked out 4 flags. It worked out perfectly. So here's a flag, and I'll show you guys. So just for reference, here's some of the flags that I hauled before in case you guys were curious. So you can see like the fabric on here. It's like a nice soft fabric, and then this is the same kind of like soft fabric. Hello Sunshine. And then this one is kind of like a canvasy kind of fabric. I don't have an answer for that. See? And then this one is the same as this one fabric wise. It's just like little flowers. Not the cutest, but still colorful, and that's what I like. Oh my gosh. So this is a cushion cover. It's a really nice little cushion cover. So if you have like, we have the outdoor couches, so I picked that out to kind of cover it because it's washable. That's what I liked about it. I think this one's for a seat. I may have picked out the wrong one. But either way, as far as the fabric goes, it is a really nice cozy kind of fabric. Kind of almost feels like a velvet, but it's not velvet. It's like a plushy like blanket feel. So I like that. And then the last thing that I've been really excited to open up, it definitely looks like a rug. Okay, I'm not gonna fully take this one out because it's kind of got those things that I don't want to get on people's bare feet, but it's one of those really nice mats. Before you walk in, you can scrape the dirt off the bottoms of your shoes. This is a 60 by 90 centimeter rug, and it's even got the really nice backing back here. It may shift a little bit, just a little bit, I don't know, but yeah, that's really freaking nice. So it's gonna get all the mud and everything off the bottoms of your shoes. And it's a really good size. It's a heavy duty mat too, guys. So I will have everything linked and listed down below for you guys. So that is everything for today's Temu haul. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching. And Temu, literally, that's the joy of these, in my opinion, hauls, is getting to show you guys the variety that Temu offers on their app. So thank you to Temu for letting me pick these items out and working with me in today's video. Definitely check out my special link down below to download the app. Like I told you guys before, you get free shipping, free returns, and free price adjustments. They're constantly adding new things. Like, look back at when I first started doing Temu hauls and to now, the exponential growth, and we love that. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I am hopping off, gonna clean everything up. Let me know what was your favorite find for today's video, and of course give me ideas for the next hauls. So you guys know I love hauling for y'all. So anyways, until next time, friends, check me out on my other channels, also on TikTok and Instagram at HOTMESS MOMMA 4. And Haley and I will be back with our podcast shortly. She is a newlywed, so and there's big exciting things happening in July, just FYI on that. So anyways, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.